Hello! So in this tutorial I'll teach you how to install the WordPress inside of our framework so you can take advantage of all the WordPress templates and the corresponding plugins. So this is a very simple tutorial. So basically we just need to log in our framework, choosing the workspace, and in the left side we see our navigator with all the projects that we currently have. So to access or to install the WordPress we just need to click in the projects, this menu saying manage WordPress, or in the common project manage WordPress, or in the presentation layer menu the menu saying manage WordPress, exactly the same action. So we click it and automatically we see here a page that allows us to go to the WordPress if it is already installed or to install it. So what we want to do is to install the WordPress. So we click in this button and automatically tell us that there is no WordPress installation yet to this specific driver that we selected, and so we can install a new one. So we just click in this button here. Currently it is installing. It was already installed successfully, and we are here inside of the WordPress, which is inside of our framework. So in here we can do a bunch of stuffs as you do normally in WordPress. So basically the system installed the WordPress files inside of the common projects, web root, CMS, WordPress, and you have here the corresponding driver that we selected. If your project has more database, you can install a WordPress instance in each of the database drivers, and then they will be listed in here. So currently we just have one database driver, which the name is MySQL, and so inside he created here a folder with the correspondent WordPress files. So if you are comfortable to work with WordPress, you know what to do next. Very simple. To access the WordPress, in case you get out from the WordPress page again, let's say that you are in this page and you want to go back to the WordPress, you can just click in this specific WordPress installation and do manage WordPress, or you can go through here, manage WordPress, or the previous ones that I explained you before, which is through the common project, manage WordPress, or through the presentation layer, or through the project that you are currently working on. So it is the same thing. So if you do manage WordPress, automatically you just need to click go to WordPress and you will go to the WordPress instance installation. Very simple. Another thing that I should explain to you, let's say that for some reason you mistake and you click here install WordPress. The system will let you know that attention, because in this driver there is already a WordPress instance installed. So if you want, you can reinstall it from scratch, which will delete everything that you did before in WordPress, will create a fresh new installation. Or if you don't want to lose the previous files and you just want to re-hacking the WordPress, you can just click in this button here in case there is something not working correctly in WordPress. Very simple. So, and basically that's it. That's how you install WordPress inside of our framework. Don't forget that for each individual database driver you can have a WordPress installation. So if you have 3 projects where each project has 1 DB driver and you have 3 projects, that means that you can have 3 different WordPress installations installed, one for each database driver. And that's it. So thank you very much.